How do you simplify a square root 1728? Well, let's get started with a factor tree. Since it ends in a even number, I know it's divisible by 2, so I'm just going to start with 2. 2 times 864 equals 728. Circle the 2 because it's prime. And now let's try 2 again. 2 times 432 is 864. And then let's just stay with a 2. 2 times 216 is 432. And then we can go again. 2 times 108. And then let's go with 108 is 2 times 54. We're getting close, guys. And then 54 will be 9 times 6. Let's move this over here. 54 is 9 times 6. And then this is 3, 3, and this is 2, 3. So now what we're going to do is we're going to write all these prime numbers underneath the square root symbol. And we have 2's. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like 6 2's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then for 3's, it looks like we have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So now, since it's a square root, we can pull out pairs because a square root is two numbers multiplied together. So here's a 2. Here's another pair of 2's. And another pair of 2's. And a pair of 3's. And it looks like we have a 3 left underneath the square root sign. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. And then 8 times 3 is 24. And then we have the 3 underneath the square root sign. So there is 1728 simplified is 24 square root 3. Thanks for watching.